Beautiful people, bonjour, salut, bonsoir, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all the way from me to where you are. How is you? Ooh, my English does not sound so delicious. But hey, this is not an English test. So, moving right along. You know what they say, gratitude is an attitude. And if that's the case, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers to be, to my present subscribers, and to all my past subscribers, and to everybody who has watched the video, who has liked, who has followed. So, question, where can you get the Tessica pattern or other Bambi patterns? The information is in the description box. So this is what you'll need to make this lovely number. You'll need your Tessica pattern, which will actually have a guidebook to include your fabric as well as the trims that you'll actually require. And you'll also need obviously your sewing machines and etc. etc. Let's get sewing. The seam allowance and hem allowance are indicated on the pattern pieces. We will be doing French seams for the side seams. Take your front and back piece with the wrong side facing each other and sew at 0.7 centimeters or 0.27 inches. Trim the seam a bit to about 0.5 centimeters or 0.20 inches and press the seam with a steam iron. Thereafter, pin and sew the seam in, with the right side of the fabric for the front and the back facing each other. Use the remaining seam allowance of 0.8 centimeters or 0.31 inches. Once done, press the completed French seams. Take pattern piece 3, fold in half and fold each half further to form the binding. Use a steam iron to press the folds to easily form the binding. Attach your binding to the front neckline and sew. Cut off any remaining binding. Attach another one to the back neckline and sew. Cut off any remaining binding. To attach the binding, open the fold, place the edge of the binding against the neckline and sew at 0.5 centimeters or 0.20 inches. Thereafter, fold the binding over the edge of the neckline, sew the binding down. Option B for the front part, which has not been demonstrated. Place the lace on the front neckline so that it overlaps with the neckline and sew the lace using small zigzag stitches. Fold the lace right side to locate the center front and sew at an angle to form the V. The fabric recommended in the guidebook does not easily shred. Attach the binding to the armholes from back to front and sew the remaining binding closed. Fold the front binding neckline and sew at an angle to form the V at the center front. Insert a bra buckle to the remaining armhole trap binding. Sew a small piece of the strap at 2 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters, which is 0.79 inches to 0.98 inches in length. Thread the armhole loose strap through the bra ring to form a loop, direction from out to in. Thereafter, slide the armhole strap on the inner bra buckle and sew the strap ends down to form an adjustable strap. Option B for the front, which has not been demonstrated. After sewing the bra ring loop and sliding the bra buckle, as per the above step, sew the side of the lace to the front strap by placing the strap over the lace. If you are using a lace that has not been altered, meaning the bottom and the top pattern edge are the same, fold the hem to the wrong side of the fabric, first at 0.5 centimeters, which is 0.20 inches, followed by a fold at 1 centimeters or 0.39 inches, and so. This is to accommodate the hem allowance that has already been included in the pattern. Place the lace on the right side of the fabric and overlap the lace edge to the sewn hemline. Sew the lace down and press with a steam iron. If the lace used was wide enough that you could cut it in half, we're going to use the French seam method. With the wrong side of the lace and the fabric facing each other, pin the lace edge that was cut to the hem and sew at 0.7 centimeters or 0.27 inches. Trim the seam allowance a bit, leaving it at 0.5 centimeters or 0.20 inches. Press the seam with a steam iron. To sew the seam in, the right side of the lace should face the right side of the fabric, and sew. Press the seam with a steam iron. Lay the French seam towards the fabric and top stitch. Give Tessica a final press and iron out any wrinkles. The link to the Tessica pattern and any other Bambi pattern is available in the description box. Thank you for watching, subscribing, following the channel and purchasing the Bambi pattern. Most of all, enjoy the project. Smiles and laughter, BambiPatterns.